How was your first night, huh? Are you ready for some snackies? Here you go. There you go, girls. Get you some snackies. Come on, baby. Come over here, get you some snackies. How about it? How about that? Get you some snackies. Breakfast snackies. Got blueberries and lettuce and pumpkins and little cut up pieces of protein. All kinds of yummies. Good job. You want me to spread them out a little bit more? Are y'all being silly? Let's spread it out. How about that? There you go. Now everybody can come over here in a line and eat. Uh-oh.